Divas, welcome to my channel. My name is Maria, but I'm popularly called Glam, so you can call me Glam. So today guys, I'll be showing you how to make a very superb whitening face cream. This face cream whitens you very well, gives you about 3 shades and also helps to clear dark spots, pimples, and the beautiful thing about this face cream is that it doesn't give you any reaction at all. Okay, the truth is I wanted to do a different video today, but then I was about using my face cream this morning and I realized that it was almost finished. So I wanted to mix another face cream for myself, and I was like, oh, why not show you guys a video of what I'm using at the moment? So I decided to do a video of the face cream that I am on right now. So guys, just take your time and follow me through the video so that you can see the different products I'll be mixing together to make this effective whitening face cream. Now this face cream not just whitens, it glows your skin like I earlier said, you know, and it helps you to clear all form of hyperpigmentation on your skin. So we'll be going right into the video, but before we do so guys, please, like I always say, if you have not subscribed, please take just a second to pause right now and subscribe to this channel by clicking on the red subscribe button, the button below, and also please turn your notification bell on. That's the bell icon, so that you will be updated whenever I get to upload a new video. So guys, without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. Alright lovelies, welcome to the workstation. So like I said, that we'll be making a very whitening face cream, and I don't know if this is going to be bright enough because it's pretty late here, but I really needed to shoot this video for you guys to see. So I have my base cream here. I have 2 tablespoons of my whitening base cream. You can decide to use any whitening base cream of your choice, but this is my DIY base cream that I'm using here. Other alternatives are, let me just show you. You can decide to use this right here. This is Quick Clear. And other alternatives are, you have what's it called? You have the Skin Free Face Milk. So any of the lightning face cream, you can get it as base. So what I have here is 2 tablespoons of my lightning base cream. So the next thing that I'll be adding right now is my vitamin E oil, because I always like to have vitamin E oils. It helps with moisturizing the face and keeping your face supple. So I'm just going to add a few drops of my vitamin E oil right now to this right here. Just a little goes a long way. Then I'm going to add my drops of my whitening glycerine also into this. Just few drops. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's enough, because I'm actually making a small batch. I don't make too much face cream for myself at once, because I always like to sample out different recipes, being a skincare from later. Yeah, this is the container of the other one I was using. I told you got finished and have to make another one. So right now I have my base cream, I have my vitamin E oil, I have my whitening glycerine. So the next thing I'll be adding is the Perfect Face. I'll show you what it looks like in just a second. So this is the pack of the Perfect Face cream. This is the pack of the Perfect Face cream, yes. The Perfect Face states here that it's good. It's an anti-sports, anti-aging, anti-pimples, anti-tax. So this is very good if you have dark spots and you have pimples on your face. If you mix it very well with other products, you're going to have a face cream that works very well for your pimple or acne. So I'm just going to add this as well. So I'm going to get my measuring spoon, because this is new, and I'm going to measure it out. This is what it looks like. So I'm just going to add it right now. So like I said, I'm making a small batch for myself, so that's about it. Let me just drop that aside and add this to it for you guys to see. So please always remember to work in a very clean environment. That's why whenever I'm working, I have my gloves on and I have all my tools and everything I use. I make sure that I've sterilized with at least 70% rubbing alcohol will do the trick. So the next thing I'm going to be adding my Rapid White cream, which helps from what it says here. This is the cream. I don't know if you can see it. I'm trying to show you guys. It looks blurry. Yeah, but that's it. Rapid White. So it works for the body and the face and the foot as well. So even if you have dark feet, this will work very well. You can see it works for the body, the face, and the foot. So I'm going to be using the Rapid White as well in this mix. So all of these are very good and they're skin friendly, and you are not going to break out with any reaction using any of this. So I'm just going to use the very last drop rather, and add it to it. So that's it. Yeah. Then I'm going to be adding my whitening oils. This is one of the oil, Jaribu. This is very, very, very good oil. Very good. It's just about 15 ml. A bit pricey for the size, but then this is really a real good oil. So we'll be adding this as well. I'm going to be adding about 10 drops to it right now. So this is what it looks like whenever you're buying. It looks like an injection bottle. You can see. So it's actually very, very, very powerful, very whitening, and works very well on any kind of skin. If you have a stubborn skin or whatever skin type you have, you can use this. So you see what it looks like on opening it, like exactly like an injection bottle. So let me just open it and then I'll be back. So this is it right now. This is it. I've opened it. I'm just going to add a few drops to this as well. All right. Then the second to the last thing I'll be using is the H&D Secret Oil. It's also the same size as the Jaribu. Let's read what it has here. H&D oil works on the outer skin, helps to boost the production of new skin cells. You know, like I always tell you that for your cream to work, you definitely have to take off the whole skin cells and let the new skin cells show that you can work on it. So this is very good, and the beautiful thing about it is that it contains SPF. So I'm going to be adding the H&D Secret Oil as well to it. So just a few drops too will do. So finally, the very last thing I'll be using is my Gluta serum. This is a very good serum. It's a glowing serum, and it also contains glutathione, contains alpha-arbutin, vitamin C, and also contains SPF. So this is the very last serum that I'll be adding. Gluta C Insta White works very well on the skin and on the body as well. So it's also, like it states here, so this complexion clarifying serum removes and fades stubborn dark spots, acne scars, sunspots, and blemishes. So this also works if you have acne scars, you know, after poking your pimple and then you're left with scars, then you can use this as well. So I'll just, it comes with a dropper, so I'll be adding about 5 drops to this. That's like 3 of already. So that's enough for this mix. So all I'm going to finally do is just stir, and that's it. Like I told you that this recipe is a very, very easy one once you get the ingredients that you want to use. So please guys, if you've not subscribed, please just pause right now and click on the subscribe button, please. Also turn your notification bell on so that you'll be notified every time I get to upload a new video. Also, do not forget to drop a comment, and also do not forget to share and like my videos. If you need to reach out to me, yeah, the Instagram page is on the screen, and my WhatsApp number is displayed on the screen as well for trainings, consultations, and inquiries. Thanks guys, till my next video. Bye.